Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the simple process of getting a link to a folder using the Dropbox app on your phone. Whether you want to share important documents or collaborate with others, knowing how to share a folder link quickly can save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the Files section. This will open up a list of all your saved files and folders inside your Dropbox account. Then, scroll through the list to find the specific folder you want to share. Once you locate the folder, tap on the three dots icon next to it. This opens a menu with various options related to the folder. After that, select the Share option from the menu. To get a direct link, click on the Copy Link button. This action copies the folder's shareable link to your device's clipboard. Finally, you can now paste this link anywhere you want, whether in an email, message, or social media, to share access to the folder with others. Thank you for watching.